Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, oh my god, camera focus. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest growth methods for Instagram in 2020 after all the things that we've been using in the past have crashed. I know, right? It sucks. I'm going to show you guys some new updated methods. Please go down there and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so I don't know if you've noticed this, but it's actually super hard to get growth on Instagram in 2020 because we literally have seen an influx of accounts. As you can see, the numbers have really climbed in the last couple of years. So the first method that I'm going to show you is something that's kind of outdated, and it usually gets your page up to the first 1,000 or 5,000 followers or so until it starts to like slow down and the method doesn't work because you have so many new people coming in. But that is the follow for follow method. So pretty much you follow a couple hundred people or so in the first couple months per day. After a week or so you start unfollowing a ton of people and you repeat the process, and they say that I think it's around 5% to 10% of the people that you follow will follow you back. So as you can see, the graph kind of shows that it's like the numbers slowly climb, but your following sort of climbs too. It kind of stays up over your followers count. So what you want to do every 5 or 7 days, you want to change that number down. You want to make it lower than your followers count. So soon enough, you'll start seeing the growth, and your page will actually start getting more likes. And as crazy as it sounds, if you do the next steps right, your page might blow up. Okay, so we're here on my page, and as you can see, it only has 360 followers. But the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Discover page, right? That's the second tip. Go to the Discover page, find a post that's super like commonly trending, and it just has to do with your niche. So for example, this one, we go up into the Setup King's account, we click on his newest post, and we go to others, right? So now you scroll down all the way. Supposedly you already have followed a ton of people, so the odds that they've followed the same accounts as you is really high. So what you want to do is scroll down all the way, or close to the bottom, and start following a ton of people. And as you can see, the numbers stack up pretty quickly. You only want to do a couple hundred per day or so, because Instagram will actually like stop you from doing too many. They'll actually like suspend a lot of things from happening on your account. Like you can't even unfollow people. It sucks. Anyway, we want to keep doing this until we get around this many. 30 people. You want to do not too many per hour because then it kind of looks suspicious. And after that, you kind of want to wait for the numbers to roll in. Third tip that you want to do is post every day. You could do it like 5-6 times a day. Best growth hack ever. You don't want to do anything else other than this. As you can see, I posted once per day for the last couple weeks, and these posts actually have decent insights. Like this is my first month or so, and I'm already getting 249 reach on this post. I know some of my posts actually have like 500 to 2,000 or so. 92 likes right there. This one has 93 likes, 114. So as you can see, the numbers really stack up if you follow a ton of accounts and you sort of unfollow them at the end of the week. Alright guys, so the next tip we have is actually super simple. It all has to do with stories on your Instagram page. So we're going to click add to story, and so this is suggesting that you have a new account with just a couple hundred followers or so. First thing that you want to do is take a picture or go into your camera roll and pick a picture that you just posted and be like this, for example. Turn it, kind of make it look nice, and go into here and say, new post, amazing setup from this post is from Catchy, so I'm going to add them right here. So I'm going to change their color to make it look more interesting. It'll be blue, and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So as you can see, this is pretty much all you have to do. Now if you want more people to see your post on your story, you can go into the AA thingy, and you can just type in a ton of hashtags. So for example, I'm going to type in setup king, iPad setup, iPad extensions, and lastly we'll do shot on iPhone. This is a pretty popular one. So now what you want to do is hold this right here and make it as small as possible. Just keep on bringing your finger down. Now what you can do, you can just post it, right? Because you have all these hashtags, but they won't show up when people view your story, but they can still see them on those hashtags. It's super important for maximizing your viewer base. If you want a ton more people to look at your posts, you need to see them. You need to get them to come and see your story. It's the most important thing. So we'll add this to our story. Okay, one of the last things that you can do to improve your Instagram page and get a ton more people to look at it is you want to go onto a new Instagram page, for example, that has around 30,000 to 50,000 followers and does tech things or does the same niche as you. Like, for example, if your niche is cooking, you want to go to Tasty, for example, or go to one of those smaller Instagrammers that does the same kind of posts. Now you want to go to their latest post, right, their latest post, because on their latest one, they have the most current fan base of people that will look at the posts. So now you want to go down and press on the likes, and when you click on the likes, you can actually follow all those people, and all those people are like new and they follow the accounts and they actually care, versus if you went to the bottom and you clicked all the likers and you liked all, or you followed all them. Now the other thing you want to do is comment on these posts, because the people that view these, they want to see people just like these people in the same niche. It's really popular. And another thing that you want to do is you can add comments. Now adding comments to the pages that have like the most recent stuff actually increases the people that come to your page so much, it's actually crazy. Like they want to see someone that cares, they want to be active, and a lot of other factors go into this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you guys grow your Instagram page. If you need more tips, please comment like I need more help below, and I'll get back to your guys' comments as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, put on the bell, do everything. We're gonna grow this channel. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.